Hey there, beautiful people. Have you ever looked at your brush and wondered, where did all this hair come from? Or noticed your part is getting a little too wide for comfort? You're not alone. Hair fall is something many of us experience. So grab your favorite snack, settle in, and let's get to the root of the problem. We'll dive into practical tips, lifestyle changes, and even medical treatments. Now, let's get started and demystify the world of hair fall together. First up, we've got thinning hair. Notice your once voluminous locks are looking less dense, especially on the top of your head. Your part may seem wider or you need fewer hair ties. Don't panic. Catching it early is key. Think of your hair like a garden. Each strand goes through cycles. More hairs entering the resting phase leads to shedding. The good news? We can address these triggers. Stay tuned as we explore more signs and solutions. Now, this one's a bit more alarming. Bald patches. They can appear suddenly and can be either small and round or more irregular. You might even find that hair in these areas falls out in clumps. Bald patches can be quite distressing, and they often signify an underlying issue that needs to be addressed. One common cause is alopecia areata, an autoimmune disorder where the body's immune system mistakenly attacks hair follicles, leading to hair loss. If you notice bald patches, it's crucial to consult a dermatologist or a healthcare professional. Early intervention is key to managing these conditions and promoting hair regrowth. Symptom 5. A widening part. If you find that your part is getting wider and more scalp is visible, it could be a sign of thinning hair. A widening part often goes hand in hand with thinning hair, especially on the top of the head. While a widening part can be a natural part of aging for some individuals, a sudden or dramatic change could indicate an underlying issue like androgenetic alopecia, pattern baldness. If you're concerned about a widening part, it's a good idea to consult a dermatologist or a trichologist, hair and scalp specialist. Next up, hormonal changes. Our bodies go through a lot, and so do our hormones. Whether it's pregnancy, menopause, or even thyroid problems, shifts in hormone levels can wreak havoc on your hair. During pregnancy, many women experience thicker, more luscious hair due to increased estrogen levels. However, after giving birth, estrogen levels drop, which can lead to a temporary but often noticeable increase in hair shedding, known as postpartum hair loss. Menopause is another time when hormonal fluctuations can impact hair growth. As estrogen levels decline, hair may become thinner and more brittle. Thyroid imbalances, both hypothyroidism, underactive thyroid, and hyperthyroidism, overactive thyroid, can also disrupt hair growth cycles, leading to hair loss. Number 4. Poor nutrition. Your hair needs the right fuel to grow strong and healthy. A diet lacking in essential vitamins and minerals, like iron, zinc, and biotin, can lead to weaker hair that's more prone to falling out. Iron deficiency, for example, is a common cause of hair loss, especially in women. Iron is crucial for carrying oxygen to hair follicles, and a deficiency can lead to hair shedding. Other important nutrients for hair health include zinc, biotin, protein, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. To support healthy hair growth, focus on incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich foods into your diet. Now that we've covered the common causes of hair loss, let's explore some effective solutions. Solution 1. A healthy diet. Remember, you are what you eat, and so is your hair. Incorporate foods rich in vitamins and minerals, like biotin, zinc, and iron, to strengthen your hair from the inside out. Think leafy greens like spinach and kale, which are packed with iron and other essential nutrients. Add some color to your plate with bell peppers, which are high in vitamin C, crucial for collagen production, which keeps hair strong and elastic. Don't forget protein. Hair is primarily made of protein, so ensure you're getting enough from sources like lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu. Solution 3. A proper hair care routine. Treat your hair with love. Regular scalp massages with natural oils like coconut or argan oil can stimulate blood flow and encourage hair growth. Start by choosing the right shampoo and conditioner for your hair type. If you have a dry scalp, opt for a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. For oily hair, choose a clarifying shampoo and a lightweight conditioner. Avoid harsh shampoos that contain sulfates and parabens, as these can strip your hair of its natural oils and lead to dryness and breakage. Instead, opt for gentle, sulfate-free shampoos that cleanse your hair without stripping away its moisture. Whenever possible, let your hair air dry to minimize heat damage. And there you have it. We've covered the top symptoms, causes, and solutions for hair fall. Remember, this is just a starting point, and everyone's hair loss journey is unique. If you're concerned about hair loss, the best thing you can do is consult a healthcare professional or a dermatologist. They can help you determine the underlying cause of your hair loss and recommend the most effective treatment plan for you. Don't lose hope. With the right approach and a little TLC, you can regain your confidence and enjoy health.